228 1445647. In the comments, your set stars are Deneb and Vega. 007144068. No ullage. Docked burn using the PTC rest mat. Stand by for your readback, over.
Would you give me the GET of Puerto Plata again, please?
Roger. 1445647. Over.
Roger, flyby SBS GNN 62815 plus 097 minus 020 070545944 minus 00028 plus 00023 plus 00069er 269er 149er 312 NA plus 00221 00078 001 00034 12185 227 NA minus 0265 minus 16500 11899er 36228 1445647. Deneb in Vegas 007 144 068. No ullage. Dot PTC rest mat, over.
Roger. Say again your roll angle, Buzz. I copy. I read 029er, over.
Roger, 029er.
Roger. Good readback.
Apollo 11 on the 7/10 rate. The rate loaded into the DAP is 1 or 2/10.
11, Roger. Oh, Apollo 11, Houston, over.
Apollo 11, go.
Roger. Mike, would you please copy down your Verb 16 noun 20 ICDU angles now, then execute Verb 49 and load those angles, the noun 20 that you see on the diskey, into the noun 22 slot, and pro that, and that'll start our 20-minute rate period, over.
Okay, Charlie, I'll do that right now. Just a matter of interest. Those numbers are plus 04511, plus 09021, and plus 359er84, over.
Roger.
Apollo 11, I've done that, and of course I got an immediate 5018, so I guess we're set up to proceed from here, and I'll start the 20-minute timer.
That's affirmative.
Houston, I still question that 7/10 rate with 2/10 loaded into the depth, though. Could you explain that one?
Roger, we're working on it. Stand by, 1. Apollo 11, Houston, over.
This is Apollo 11.
Roger, we got a little laser visual experiment we'd like for you to do for us. If you got the Earth through any of your windows or through the telescope, would you so advise, over?
Stand by, 1, Charlie. At this roll attitude, what should our high gain angles be? Maybe that would help us locate you. We don't see you right on hand.
Stand by. Hello, Apollo 11, Houston. Those high gain angles are pitch -70, yaw 90. We think the Earth's apparently pretty close to plus C axis, over.
Okay. Okay, Charlie, I got you in the telescope.
Roger, Apollo 11. We got a laser that we're going to, it's a blue-green laser that we're going to flash on and off at a frequency of on for a second, off for a second. It's coming out of McDonald Observatory near El Paso, which should be right on the terminator, or right inside the terminator. We're going to activate that momentarily. Would you please take a look through the telescope and see if you can see it, over?
Telescope or sector?
Either one, over.
Okay, I'll start with the telescope, and if I don't see it there, then I'll try the sector.
Roger. We'll give you the word when they've got it turned on, over.
Okay.
11, Houston, they don't have it turned on yet. We'll give you the word when they got it turned on, over.
Okay.
Oh, Apollo 11, Houston, we noticed the cryo pressure drop a moment ago. Did you stir up the cryos, over?
Roger, we've finished cycling operations.
Roger, copy out. Hello, Apollo 11, Houston. McDonald's got the laser turned on. Would you take a look, over?
Okay, Charlie.
It's bluish green. 11, Houston, we got some shaft and trunnion for you that might tweak it up a little bit. Shaft of 141.5, trunnion of 39.5, over. Apollo 11, Houston, if you see it, it should be coming up, appear to be coming up through the clouds. McDonald reports that there's a break in the clouds that they're beaming this thing through, over.
Better.
Oh, Apollo 11, Houston, you can terminate the exercise on the laser. Rates are steady enough now to commence the PTC, over.
Okay, Houston, neither Neil nor Mike can see it. Incidentally, those shafts and trunnions just missed pointing at the world.
Roger, thank you.
As we are looking at it through the scanning telescope, it would be about maybe a third of an Earth radii high to the left.
Roger.
But we did identify the El Paso area, and it appeared to us to be a break in the clouds there, and we looked in that break and saw nothing.
Roger, thank you much, out.
Houston, Apollo 11, over.
Roger, go ahead, over.
Are you following that on the disky?
Roger, stand by. Uh, 11, Houston, what's your exact question, over?
I followed the procedure through step 7 down to the point where I got 27303 enter, and this resulted in an operator error light.
Roger, stand by. Apollo 11, Houston, stand by a moment. We'll have an answer for you momentarily, over.
Okay, appreciate it, Charlie. Now the light's gone out without any further disky action.
Roger.
Oh, it's correction. Stand by. That's not so.
Roger. Hello, Apollo 11, Houston.
Here, Apollo 11.
Roger, we finally got concurrence on our problem here, and with 50 guys looking at it. When we were sitting in the 50 98 team, we attempted to load the erasable before you terminated the VERB 49. So, Mike, what we're going to have to do is call up the present CDUs, copy those down, and do a VERB 49, load the present, then do a proceed, then an enter, and then we can then set up attitude hold on step 6, over.
Okay. That's what we did last time.
It appeared to us that we attempted to load the erasable prior to entering on the VERB 49, which VERB 49 was still running, and it clobbered the CDUs, over.
Just the Apollo 11, we're moving at the proper rate.
Hallelujah. 11, Houston, it looks great to us now, over.
That looks fine here, Charlie. The 7/10 part's the only part I don't find explained yet.
Roger, Mike. We're working on that one right now. We're coming up with a story soon, over.
Thank you.
Houston, we're handing over comm to correction from Goldstone to Honeysuckle, over.
Okay. Hello, Houston, through Honeysuckle, out.
Apollo 11, Houston, go ahead, over.
Hey, sound good to us through Honeysuckle. How are we sound?
Roger, 5 by Mike. We'd like the Omni configuration as follows. Omni Alpha placed in Bravo. Omni to Omni. High gain track to manual control.
At the present time, we are handing over from the tracking site at Goldstone, California to the site at Honeysuckle, which accounts for the noise in the transmission.
We've got S-band Omni B, Omni, track to manual, and beam wide. Pitch, you better say that again, y'all, 270, over.
Roger, Buzz. I broke up that pitch minus 50 and beam wide, over. Again, over.
Roger, are you ready to copy some numbers on 276 etc.?
Roger, go ahead, over.
Okay, radiation CDR 11005, CMC 10006, LMC 09007. Medication negative. And I got some battery and RCS numbers for you.
Go ahead, over.
Battery C, 37.1. Spiral battery A and B, both 37.1. RCS Alpha, 82. Bravo, 84. Coca, 85. Delta, 87. Over.
Roger, we copy radiation 11005, 10006, 09007. No medication. 37.1, 37.1, 37.1, 82, 84, 85, 87. Over.
That's affirmative. And you want a 11 p.m. Delta P is 1.1.
Roger, copy 1.1. Hello, Apollo 11. Houston, please verify the 4 cryo heaters auto, the 4 fans off. Over.
Okay, we've been holding O2 heater number 1 in the off position. I believe that was your last instruction. All the other heaters are auto and all fans are off. Over.
Roger, stand by. 11, Houston, we'd like all heaters auto, over.
Roger, all 4 auto, all 4 fans off.
This is Apollo Control at 36 hours, 11 minutes. The present time, Apollo 11 is about 134,000 nautical miles from Earth. The velocity is 4,216 feet per second. During that last series of transmissions from the crew, we received a status report from Buzz Aldrin. Reported that the crew has, in the past 24 hours, taken no medication. This is similar to the crew status report that we received from them last night. We bid them good night at 36 hours, 9 minutes, or about 2 minutes ago. We anticipate that the crew will probably have a few more housekeeping-type chores aboard the spacecraft before they actually turn in, and also will probably be combining their eat period with the first part of that sleep period. At 36 hours, 12 minutes into the flight of Apollo 11, this is Mission Control, Houston. This is Apollo Control at 36 hours, 27 minutes. We have completed the processing of the unscheduled television transmission which the crew sent down from the spacecraft at about 30 hours, 24 minutes ground elapsed time this evening. I would like to repeat that this was an apparent test of the onboard system. The crew turned the television equipment on, left it on for about 52 minutes. Some of the time we will have a picture, other parts of it we don't have good lock on, and will not have a good solid picture. I would also point out that this transmission was made with the omnidirectional antennas, which of course don't provide nearly the signal strength that we would get from the high gain antenna, which would be used. We'll play back the tape of that transmission for you at this time.
Receiving a TV picture coming down from you all, a little slowly, but a good TV picture, over. Roger, we're just testing the equipment up here. Roger. Ask them if they can read the numbers. Okay, stand by. Goldstone, this is Houston, Capcom, over.
11-0, go ahead.
Roger, stand by a minute, Goldstone. 11, this is Houston. What numbers are you referring to, over?
Well, I guess if they can't see any numbers by time of lost cause.
Negative, stand by. We wanted to know what numbers before we asked them.
Okay, I'm showing them a disky, and I'd like to know whether they can read what's showing on the disky, and also whether they can see PROG, VERB, and NOUN, over.
Roger, stand by a second. Goldstone, MNO, Houston, Capcom, over.
Capcom, Goldstone, go ahead.
Roger, did you copy the spacecraft request?
That's affirmative. I am reading the numbers on our monitor here.
Okay, that's Simon. Roger, that's both the numbers on the disky itself and the little words like program, verb, noun, computer activity, things of the sort.
Roger, I can read the numbers clearly. We can't distinguish what the words are because it is a little snowy.
Roger. Thank you.
Okay, I read verb, noun, and program.
Roger, do you see over in the left-hand corner there's a big square one that says computer activity, comp activity?
Roger, I see a flash occasionally in that area.
Right, that's the one.
Okay, it looks like he's moved the camera at this time.
Roger. 11, this is Houston. Goldstone M&O reports that they can read the numbers on the disc key. They can also read verb, noun, program, and see the compactivity light flashing. Over.
Very good, thank you.
And they also report you appear to have panned the camera over to another location now.
Yeah, we're going to work on something else.
Roger.
And we seem to have a fairly good view here of the interior of the command module. This would look to be the panel, the display panel with some of the fuel quantity dials on the right side of the cockpit. At the time these television pictures were transmitted from the spacecraft, Apollo 11 was about 121,000 nautical miles from Earth. Although we do have good signal lock-on, we got amazingly good quality from those little Omni antennas. As we've mentioned before, normally the high-gain antenna would be used for a television transmission of this sort. You could almost make out a face in that one. His hand down at the instrument panel. That last view just before we lost picture lockup appeared to be the right center portion of the main display console, main display panel in the command module. For a brief moment there, we had a picture of a somewhat placid Neil Armstrong closing his eyes momentarily. Another crewman to his left. I'm not sure at this point that I can make out who it was. It did appear it might have been Mike Collins.
Yes, followed up. Go ahead, 11. Oh, Charlie, is that you? That's me. How are you there?
Oh, just fine. How's the old white team today?
The old white team's bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. We're ever alert down here.
Ever alert and vigilant. Hey, you got any medics down there watching heart rate? I'm trying to do some running in place down here, and I'm wondering just out of curiosity whether it brings my heart rate up.
Well, they will spring into action here momentarily. Stand by.
That was Mike Collins commenting that he was doing some running in place exercises. We may get a brief view of that a little later on in this transmission if the picture stabilizes and holds still for us.
Hello, 11. We see your heart beating.
Okay, well, look at the CDR and the TMB shipping equipment meeting. We're all running in place up here. You wouldn't believe it.
I'd like to see that site. Why don't you give us a TV picture of that one?
I think that's the train. You got it.
Okay, it's coming in a Goldstone, Buzz. Guess Bruce said we don't have it here in the center.
Yeah, I don't know if it's a vibration or what it is, but it makes the pitch and yaw rate needles on FDAI number 1 jump up and down a little bit when we jump up and down.
Right. All right. Goldstone had said he see you running there, Mike.
Okay. Ask him what he's running from.
11, Houston. Mike, we see about a 96 heartbeat now.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's about all is reasonable without getting hot and sweaty.
All right, Roger, we copy.
Goldstone should be getting about the best picture of yours we can get right now.
Roger, Mike. Thank you much.
We got a little distortion horizontal direction damping on our monitor. I wonder if they're getting the same